I want to begin today by asking you a simple question. What if one of the most powerful foods for senior health, joint strength, gut support, immune resilience, and graceful aging has been around for thousands of years and costs almost nothing? What if the best food in the world for older adults isn't a trendy supplement, an expensive superfood, or a complicated recipe, but something your grandmother probably made every single week? I'm talking about bone broth. And yes, I mean real, slow-simmered broth, the kind that releases collagen, amino acids, minerals, electrolytes, and nutrients your body desperately needs more of as you age. A soothing, restorative, nourishing food that supports you from the inside out. As a nutritionist who has worked with older adults for many years, I can tell you with complete confidence, bone broth is something remarkably close to a natural, affordable, highly bioavailable fountain of youth. Not because it magically reverses aging, but because it replenishes the very building blocks your body loses over time, and those building blocks cannot be fully replaced through regular meals alone, even if you eat well. Bones, cartilage, connective tissues, and joints all rely on compounds that decrease drastically with age, and bone broth brings them back in a form your body immediately recognizes and knows how to use. Let's start with the most essential nutrient older adults need: collagen. Collagen is the structural protein that gives strength and elasticity to your skin, joints, tendons, ligaments, and even your gut lining. Unfortunately, research is very clear. Collagen production drops dramatically as we age. By the time you reach 60, your natural collagen production may be less than half of what it was when you were 20. That decline contributes heavily to joint stiffness, slower wound healing, sagging skin, weaker connective tissue, and even digestive problems. But here is the good news. Bone broth is one of the richest natural sources of collagen peptides. Because it's made by simmering bones, connective tissue, cartilage, and marrow, the nutrients are released in a highly absorbable form. A well-known 2019 review published in Nutrients showed that collagen peptides can significantly improve joint comfort, mobility, and skin elasticity, benefits that are incredibly valuable for seniors. Another study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry confirmed that bone broth contains collagen-derived amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, which directly support tissue repair and the rebuilding of cartilage. But collagen is only the beginning. Bone broth is also rich in glucosamine, chondroitin, and gelatin, compounds that play a key role in maintaining joint cushioning. As we age, cartilage thins and loses its ability to protect our bones from friction. That leads to stiffness, inflammation, and pain. Several clinical trials have demonstrated that collagen hydrolyse, gelatin, glucosamine, and chondroitin can reduce joint pain and improve mobility in older adults. The journal Current Medical Research and Opinion published evidence that collagen hydrolyse can significantly improve symptoms of osteoarthritis, especially in the knees. Instead of relying on multiple pills for joint support, bone broth nourishes your joints in a natural, complete way. Bone broth is equally powerful for digestive health, something that becomes increasingly important after 60. Many seniors struggle with slower digestion, poor nutrient absorption, bloating, reflux, and increased sensitivity to certain foods. This happens partly because stomach acid and digestive enzymes naturally decrease with age, and partly because the intestinal lining becomes more delicate over time. The amino acids in bone broth, especially glycine and glutamine, help reduce inflammation, strengthen the intestinal barrier, and support gut repair. A study in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology highlighted the essential role these amino acids play in maintaining gut integrity. When your gut functions better, everything improves: your energy, your immunity, your absorption of vitamins and minerals, and even your mood. For seniors who experience inconsistent digestion or reduced appetite, a warm cup of bone broth is one of the gentlest ways to receive deep nourishment without overwhelming the stomach. But the benefits don't stop there. Bone broth can also support better sleep and cognitive clarity thanks to glycine, a calming amino acid that regulates the nervous system. A study in sleep and biological rhythms found that consuming glycine before bed improves sleep quality, reduces daytime fatigue, and promotes deeper, more restorative rest. Many seniors struggle with insomnia, nighttime awakenings, or non-restorative sleep, and bone broth offers a simple, natural, soothing option. Instead of reaching for sugary snacks or heavy meals at night, seniors can enjoy a warm mug of broth to calm the mind and prepare the body for sleep. Now let's talk about muscle health, an area where seniors must pay close attention. Sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass, is one of the most powerful predictors of long-term independence and mobility. While bone broth is not a complete protein source on its own, it provides amino acids that support muscle repair and recovery. When paired with a protein-rich diet and light resistance exercises, bone broth helps fuel the rebuilding process. It also provides essential minerals like magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, and potassium, which support bone density, heart function, electrolyte balance, nerve conduction, and the prevention of muscle cramps, all of which are crucial for seniors. One of the more overlooked but important advantages of bone broth is how incredibly easy it is to digest. Aging often comes with discomfort after heavy meals, slower gastric emptying, and sensitivity to rich foods. Bone broth delivers dense nutrition in a light, soothing form that the digestive system can handle without strain. Seniors recovering from illness, surgery, or a period of low appetite often find that bone broth acts like a bridge, restoring nutrition gently and effectively when other foods feel too heavy. Let's also talk about the immune system. As we age, immunity naturally weakens, a process known as immunosenescence. Bone broth contains zinc, magnesium, selenium, collagen peptides, amino acids, and anti-inflammatory nutrients that support immune resilience. Cultures all over the world have historically used bone-based soups and broths to restore strength during illness or cold weather. Modern science confirms this traditional wisdom. A well-known study published in Chest found that chicken soup has measurable anti-inflammatory effects that may help reduce respiratory symptoms. While bone broth isn't a cure, it supports the immune system in ways that are especially important for seniors. Hydration is another key benefit. Older adults are more prone to dehydration because their natural thirst response weakens over time. Many medications increase fluid loss, and mobility limitations sometimes reduce access to fluids. Bone broth hydrates the body while providing electrolytes and minerals that water alone cannot supply. Replacing even 1 cup of coffee or soda with bone broth can noticeably improve hydration, joint comfort, and energy levels. Another major advantage of bone broth is its ability to reduce chronic inflammation, one of the most damaging forces behind aging. Low-grade inflammation increases dramatically after age 60 and contributes to arthritis, cardiovascular disease, digestive disorders, cognitive decline, and reduced mobility. Bone broth contains glycine and arginine, 2 amino acids with strong anti-inflammatory properties. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition demonstrated that dietary glycine can lower inflammation markers in both animals and humans, supporting healthier aging and better daily comfort. With all these benefits, seniors often wonder how much bone broth they should consume. From both clinical experience and scientific evidence, most seniors notice the greatest improvements when they consume bone broth 3 to 7 times per week. A single cup a day can already create meaningful change. Some people enjoy it in the morning as a warm, nourishing start to the day, while others prefer it at night as a relaxing evening beverage. You can also use it in soups, stews, rice, vegetables, or any recipe that calls for liquid, instantly upgrading the nutritional value of your meals. And now you may be wondering, is bone broth safe for everyone? For the majority of seniors, yes, it is gentle, nourishing, and generally well tolerated. The only exceptions are individuals with advanced kidney disease who may need to monitor mineral intake, or those who must limit sodium, in which case homemade broth is preferred. But here is the reality I see every day. When seniors begin drinking bone broth consistently, they often report improved joint flexibility, smoother digestion, better sleep, more hydrated skin, and a calming, comforting feeling throughout the body. No single food can fix everything, but bone broth comes remarkably close to giving older adults a daily advantage, a nutritional foundation that truly supports aging well. Bone broth is called liquid gold not because it's trendy, but because it contains a powerful package of nutrients aging bodies desperately need. Collagen peptides for joints and skin, amino acids for gut and immune health, minerals for bones and hydration, gelatin for mobility, and calming compounds for the brain and the nervous system. It is simple, it is comforting, it is powerful, and it works. And as we come to the end of our time together today, I want to pause for a moment and simply say thank you. Thank you for being here, for taking care of yourself, and for choosing to learn more about the foods and habits that truly support you as you age. If this video brought you clarity, comfort, or even just a little inspiration to take better care of your health, I invite you to do something simple but incredibly meaningful. Subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, you make sure you never miss the next video I prepare for you, videos created with your well-being, your longevity, and your daily quality of life in mind. And if you enjoyed this conversation, please take a second to give this video a like and share it with someone you love. A small gesture from you can make a huge difference in someone else's health. Thank you again for spending this time with me. Keep taking care of yourself. Keep choosing foods and habits that nourish your body and protect your future. And remember that healthy aging is a journey we walk together. One day, one choice, one meal at a time. I appreciate you, I'm cheering for you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Give us a like, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and come join our community.